Hello, my name is Alejandro Paz, and today I'm going to talk about the cigarettes, the health problems that it can bring, and the benefits of quitting smoking if you already smoke. The percentage of people that smoke has dropped in the last decade, but anyway, it is alarming that despite that everybody knows all the health issues that smoking can bring, nowadays the young people continue to do it, and especially the minors. If so, I would like to present to you the problems that it can bring, the alternative that you can have, and therefore the benefits of quitting smoke. Nowadays, 60% of people 18 old or older smoke in the US. That's really a lot. So we have to know that the cigarettes ingredients include nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, as well as formaldehyde, ammonia hydrogen, cyanide, arsenic, and DDT, that all of them are chemicals that can cause cancer. And all the brands of tobacco have these chemicals. So we must have to know the probabilities to get lung cancer, that is the most common if you smoke or you consume tobacco at all. 0.2% of for men who never smoked, and 0.4% for women that never smoked is the probability to get lung cancer. So we have to go to a former smoker now. 5.5% of former smoker males can get lung cancer, and 2.6% for women. Current smokers, we are talking about 15.9% for males and 9.5% for women. That's a lot. So that's for current smoker. Imagine for heavy smokers. For heavy smoker, we have a 24.4% for males and about 18 to 19% for women. That's a lot, we know that. But we must have to know that 1 out of 4 cancer deaths is due lung cancer. And lung cancer kills more people than breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colon cancer combined. So we are talking that lung cancer is one of the most dangerous cancers that we can find. Anyways, we know that. We have that information, and we're still doing that. Why? There are 10 health problems for smokers that are easy to find for heavy smoker at most. There are, you can go in blind. I don't know about you, but I really like to see what's going on in the world. I really like to watch TV, and what's the point of going blind? I don't know. Therefore, you can get type 2 diabetes, erectile dysfunction, that's for men, ectopic pregnancy, that's a problem for the women, hip fractures, colorectal cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, cleft lip and cleft palate in future childs, fertility issues. If you want to have a family in the future, you must think about that. And therefore, gum disease. Know that we have all the problems, and we are thinking like, what I'm gonna do to quit smoking? I wanna do it because I know that it can bring me a lot of health problems in the future. I wanna have a family. I wanna go and watch a football game and everything. So there are some alternative. The best one, obviously, is to quit smoking at all. Do not try another device like nowadays Juul, that is kind of vape, electric cigarette, I think. It's really common. That's a good alternative anyway. That's a good alternative, but it's not the complete solution because this juice that the Juul device have, it has nicotine and other chemicals, not as bad as cigarettes or tobacco, but anyway, it's a good alternative. And therefore, you can try tobacco gums. That's a good alternative, not the best one, but anyway, it's better than keep smoking. the alternative. No, we must have to know some of the benefits you have right after you quit smoking. After 20 minutes of your last cigarette, your blood pressure and pulse should return to normal at all. After 24 hours, your risk of heart attack is already decreasing. After 3 days, your sense of smells and taste are sharp as a non-smoker. After 1 year, your risk of heart disease drops to half that of a smoker. After 10 years, lung cancer risk is half that than a smoker. And after 15 years, risk of heart disease is of no more than half than the lifelong non-smoker. So we know the problems that it can bring, the health issues. We know the percentage of people that dies about because of cigarettes. We know the alternatives, and now we know the benefits. So you have already know everything about the cigarettes, the problem, and it's up to you, and it's your decision if you wanna keep smoking or you wanna change your life and have a better life by quitting cigarettes. This is Alejandro Paz, and thank you so much for your attention.